Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to track YouTube videos event by help of Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. Before started, we are go to Google Analytics GA4 property and go to the admin sections. In the data collection and modification sections, go to the data stream, and that is our website. Finally, go to the enhance measurement and click the gear button. We can see that the video engagement option is enabled. Now we are disable this video event options because today we are tracking by the Google Tag Manager. So disable these options and go to the save. After completing this task, we are go to Google Tag Manager, then click the variables and also click the configurations and scroll it. Find out the videos built-in variables will be the activated. So I click the tick mark and activated all of built-in variables. After activated video built-in variables, then go to the triggers. We are creating a new trigger, and the trigger configurations, we are find out the YouTube videos. So click it. In the capture sections, we can see that what kind of interactions we have tracking. So click the start, tick mark the start, complete, and the process. Pause, seeking, and buffering is not necessary. And in the percentage sections, we are provide the percentage, that is 25%, 50%, and 75%. And also in the advanced sections, you have to tick mark the add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos. If you have any kind of specific page on your video, then you can apply the conditions clicking the some videos, and here we can select the click URL contents and also the page locations. But in my case, I will track the all videos, so select the all videos. So we are set up the trigger. Now finally, we are giving the tag name, that is event YouTube videos. Save the trigger. Now time to create a tag. So click the tags, new, and the tag configuration under the Google Analytics, and selected the Google Analytics GA4 event. For the measurement ID, I presume that you have already installed Google Tag Manager on your website and that you have to install Google Analytics 4 with it. If you have not done that yet, then take a look at the description of these videos where I will include tutorials. You can check it out from that. So we are just adding our measurement ID, which we have created before, that is GA4 tag ID, and the event name will be the custom event name. You can giving any kind of name as your business goals, but in my case, I just put the event name, that is YouTube videos. In the event parameters section, here I am putting the parameters for this video tracking. So click the add parameter, and first one is video percent. For the video percent parameter, I want to examine that our website visitor, how many percent watching our videos. And second one is video current time. Third one is video durations. And fourth one is video provider. Fifth one is video status. And also we are providing the video title, and finally video visible. In the right side, you can see the value. Now we provided the value because already we are activated our built-in variables for all of these parameters. So firstly, video percent. Second one is current time, video current time. Third one is video duration. Fourth one is provider, video provider, and then video status, and video title, and last one is visible. We are almost done for the text sections. Now time to put the triggering. So click the triggering, and here we can see that event YouTube videos which we have created before. Just select the trigger. Now finally we are giving the tag name, that is GA4 YouTube video. Save the tag. Now time to testing, and we have to examine that our YouTube video tracking is working perfectly or not, as well as our data passing to our Google Analytics GA4 or not. So go to the preview options, connect, And we can see that our tag assistant connect with our website. Now go to our videos. And that is our video. Now play the video. Now check it out in Tag Assistant, and here we can see that our YouTube video event is fire. If you click this event and the GA4 YouTube videos, look at our GA4 YouTube video tag is fire perfectly. And you can go to the variable sections. Here we can see that our video variables contains some value, that is video durations, video percent, video provider, status, title, you are visible. Now time to check in Google Analytics GA4 property. So go to the admin section. In the data display, click the debug view. Here we can see that our event is also looking here. Click the event. Here we can see that all of parameters are looking here. Title, current time, percent, duration, provider, status, and all of that. And in the right side, we can see that as an event, YouTube videos are looking here. After 24 hours, if you go to the event, all the YouTube video event are also find out here. So finally, we have to track YouTube videos by Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.